Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel Ascend Education and Skills. I am Atanu Betal. In this video lecture, we discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes and cycloalkynes and their derivatives. So this is the topic of discussions right now. These are the examples of some cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes and their derivatives, cycloalkynes. So we discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of this type of organic compounds in this video lecture. Before starting this video lecture about the IUPAC nomenclature, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it now. Our discussion is about the IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkane. These are example of cycloalkane. This cycloalkane can be written in the structural formula. This is the structural formula or the skeleton formula of this cycloalkane. These two have the same meaning. That means both are representing the cycloalkane, same cycloalkane. This is the skeleton formula or the structural formula or the bond line formula, and this is the normal formula of the structural formula of the molecule. This is bond line formula. Only using the bond we draw the structure of the molecule. So we have to write IUPAC name of these molecules. In this case, what we have to do at first, numbering 1, 2, 3. Number of carbons present in this cyclic compound is 3. So cyclopropane, all bonds are single bond here, so N is the suffix, cyclo is the prefix here, and prop is the root word. 3 carbons are present here, so therefore it's called prop, and cyclopropane is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Now if we talk about this molecule, here 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbons are present, so it is called as the cyclobutane. Okay, it will be called as IUPAC name of this molecule is cyclobutane. 4 carbons are present, so therefore the root word is but, and the suffix N is added here because all carbons have single bonds only. These are the examples of cycloalkanes, IUPAC name of cycloalkanes, and it was this one. After these examples, we see the example of cycloalkanes that have substituent, right? This one, cycloalkanes with one substituent methyl group. So for this nomenclature of this type of compound, we have to number it as from the substituent side, because substituent get lowest number here, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so numbering is like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one position occupying by a substituent, and we need to write the name of substituent at first. So 1 methyl and cyclopentane, because 5 carbons present and all carbons are added or bonded through the single bond, so therefore N is the suffix. 1 methyl cyclopentane is the name of this molecule. 5 carbons are present, 1 methyl cyclopentane is the name of this molecule, therefore. Similarly, we can write the name of this molecule where one position is occupied by ethyl substituent, another one position is occupied by methyl substituent, these compounds. For this compound, we have to number it. This is methyl means M and ethyl means E. Ethyl group and methyl group, so ethyl group is numbered first, E is alphabetically coming first, and 4, 5, and IUPAC name of this molecule is 1 ethyl, 3 methyl, total number of carbon 5, so pent, and the suffix is n, so pentane, 1 ethyl 3 methyl pentane. This is the IUPAC name of this cycloalkane. Okay. After this example, we see this example. It is cycloalkenes, and the numbering should start from this position 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this numbering, and methyl group, 2 methyl groups are present as substituent, so name as 2,3 dimethyl, 2 position and 3 position occupying by 2 methyl groups, 2,3 dimethyl cyclo, and cyclo, after that root word is bute, cyclobute, and 1 in, 1 position is occupied by double bond, so therefore the name is 2,3 dimethyl cyclobute 1 in, total carbon 4, bute 1 in. So 2 position 3 position occupied by methyl group 2,3 dimethyl cyclo, because the system is a cyclic system, cyclo bute, 4 carbons are present, so bute, and 1 in, 1 position is occupied by a double bond. Okay, you understand this point, that for a cycloalkenes how to write the IUPAC name of this molecule, and after that we write the name of this compound. This is a cyclic substituted compound, and the name of this compound is, numbering is done like 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 carbon, hex is the root word, and cyclo hex and hexanol, cyclohexanol, hexanol, anol is the suffix because it is alcohol functional group present here, so anol is the suffix, cyclohexanol is the cyclohexan 1-ol or cyclohexanol is the name of this molecule. So this is the derivatives of cycloalkenes, and similarly other compounds name can be written. As for example, if we talk about this molecule, if we talk about this molecule, this is derivative of cycloalkene. In this case, we have to write the IUPAC name, so we have to number it as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Functional group is the C double bond O is the functional group, and for this reason functional group get the lowest possible number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is the numbering of this cyclo compound. After that we are finding here the methyl is occupied by 6 position, 6 methyl, 6 methyl, then it is hex, 6 methyl cyclohex, 6 methyl cyclo, then total carbon is hex, 6 cyclohex, 2 in and 1 on, 2 in and 1 on, because 1 position occupied by ketone group, so 1 on, 2 in and 1 on is the name of this molecule. cyclo 6 methyl cyclo hex 2 in, because 2 position occupied by a double bond, 2 in and 1 on is the IUPAC name of this molecule. After that, we have to know that if the ring is smaller than the chain, suppose for this molecule, this is a cycloalkane, and in this cycloalkane you find that it is a ring cycloalkane, but it has a chain associated with it, and the chain length is more than the number of carbon chain present in this ring. 1 2 3 4 5 carbons present in this ring, and in this chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons present. So right this time this one is behaving as the substituent, and the name should be like 1 2 3 cyclo pent 1 2 3 4 5 pent P M N O P, M is coming first. So that time you have to number from this side. Two substituents are present, one is propyl and another is methyl. So for this compound we have to write IUPAC name. The IUPAC name is 3-methyl 4 cyclopentyl, because this one is cyclic one and alkyl group behaving as alkyl group, cyclic alkyl group. So 3-methyl 4 cyclopentyl, 5 carbons are present, 3-methyl 4 cyclopentyl, then total carbon is 6, then hex, and all have single bonds. So cyclopentyl hexane is the IUPAC name of this compound. 3-methyl 4 cyclopentyl, M is coming first, M and OP, alphabetically M is coming first. So 3-methyl 4 cyclopentyl hexane is the IUPAC name of this molecule. So similarly, where the chain is present with the ring, that time you consider the number of carbon present in the chain and number of carbon present in the ring. If the chain is longer than the ring, then the ring is considered as the substituent with this main chain, with this means long carbon chain. So for these cases you have to write the IUPAC name in this following way. So similarly you can write the IUPAC name of these more cycloalkanes using the rules that at first we have to number the cycloalkanes using the same concepts like other cases we apply, that functional group get lowest number, substituent get lowest number, double bond or triple bond they get lowest number. So in this way, using the general formulas that are required for the IUPAC nomenclature of some any organic compounds, means select longest chain, number it, then numbering rules like substituent get lowest positions. So using this common rules you can write the IUPAC name of this cycloalkane, and I discuss about some examples of the cycloalkanes, how to write IUPAC name of some cycloalkanes. Similarly, in this way you can practice the naming of other cycloalkanes. I think you understand this topic. If you have any question regarding this topic, then you can ask me in the comment section below. You can watch the other videos from the playlist that I made in this channel, and if you find this video is useful, then you can like this video, and if you find this channel giving you some useful concept or useful informations regarding the educational means chemistry subjects, then you can subscribe this channel.